How many glasses of Coke are there? There is 1 glass of Coke. How many cubes of sugar are there? There are 10 cubes of sugar. How many blackbirds are there? There are 6 blackbirds. How many days of the week are there? There are 7 days of the week. How many fingers are there? There are 8 fingers. How many remote controls are there? There are 5 remote controls. How many books are there? There are 9 books. How many donkeys are there in the picture? There are 7 donkeys. How many people are there in the picture? There are 14 people. How many tomatoes are there? There are 11 tomatoes. How many red peppers are there? There are 11 red peppers. How many yellow peppers are there? There are 11 yellow peppers. How many apples are there? There are 10 apples. How many arms are there? There are 6 arms. How many cows are there? There are 15 cows. How many elephants are there? There are 10 elephants. How many dinosaurs are there? There are 8 dinosaurs. How many horses are there? There are 14 horses. How many kites are there in the sky? There is 1 kite in the sky. How many washing machines are there? There is 1 washing machine. How many watches are there? There is 1 watch. How many balls are there? There is 1 ball. How many planes are there? There is 1 plane. How many cars are there? There is 1 car.